everyone, welcome back to the channel. We just landed in Phuket, Thailand and made our way to our hotel, Amata Patong. It's located right in the heart of Patong, a lively area known for its beaches and nightlife. As we entered the hotel, we saw a small but comfortable sitting area near the reception. It's a nice space to sit and relax while checking in or waiting around. The staff at the front desk were friendly and the check-in process was quick and smooth. Here is a quick look at our room. The room was cozy, not very spacious, but had all the basic amenities we needed, like free Wi-Fi, air conditioning and a comfortable bed. Amata Patong is just a 5-minute walk to the famous Patong Beach and the buzzing Bangla Road nightlife. If you are into shopping and food, local street markets are just around the corner. Now let's jump to a small clip from the New Year's evening celebration here at the hotel. They organized a lovely dinner and celebration for guests who selected the special dinner package during booking. It was simple but a fun way to welcome the new year with other travelers. If you are planning a trip to Phuket and looking for a budget-friendly hotel with a great location and easy beach access, Amata Patong could be a good choice. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more from our Thailand trip. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to follow along. See you in the next one.